said, I always avoid answering political questions in the
U
secretariat.
Menteri Rangba Kajala ukan rat ke sangma mentah sngi thodiang ulaong baka sarkar jala kala phaikhmat chekiwei pat ki than jang kajala hakabaya dei bat ka jingthmu banwanra ya kalintiral habakran chekilat phathai khubor usangma ulaong baka jingpen pau daki brio jang katanat North East Frontier Railway NFR kalong kabashisha bakami satya kano ka jingkeli na kabenta ban pendu no ya kalentiral lanie ban supentrai jubor ya ka Ulaong baka project ka baningkong hapo Khasi Hills kalamat yaki katu katni kijing hakabayadai bat kani kajing temu bat na kaliang ka sarkar kadan kam ban shim yaki sien jam ban ya penbet halor kini bat kabala ru ban shimpor ya mentahi ukanrat ulaong bakaladon katu katni kamang tingka kabathmu na kabenta kani ka project hindrai namar kamshem lakhi na kalyang ka sarkar India kan sabu jingkeli hado katno kan batsa ya kapisa kumta ulaong baken pen phai no ni pen kenria no ya ka project shaki wei pat ki benta jong ka jela bat ban persang ban pendan kam ya kani kapisa khnang bakan om sep kata da ka ba persang ban wat lenti shaki wei pat ki than jong ka jela ki bakloi ban pedang khnang ba onla ban sedang no ya kani ka project lentiral na luar kata UCM ulaong ba uladap ban penpau ya kani ka jo ka jingsngau sha umentri katanat ka sarkar pedang bat na kalyang uni umentri ula penpau hau ba ukloi ban pedang ya kani ka jingterwa ka jong u Kumtaru ulaong bakian hab ban bishar na kani kalyang bat pet lada don kiwe ki project ki ba kila ban penya chakman bat lada don khnang bakan omlong ka jingdu nong ya ka jela haba phai sakalyang kapisa namar kapisa kalapoi na kabenta ki katu katni ki kam ki bayadai bat kalentiral halor ka jingkeli ka bayadai bat ka jingpentrai kam ya ka ILP haka jela UCM ulaong baka ILP ka dai ka sien jam kaban nyarap bante lakam ya ka jingwan rung kerthep ki mender henry ki don patru da ki wei pat ki lat ki lenti ki bala ban pentrai kam halor kini ki jing ngau khya jong ki babun balang ka jing ngau khya kam dei satya ka ILP ka jing ngau khya ka dei ka jingwan rung bi an jong ki brio ki bana shabar bat na kalyang ki pat ba lani ka tu katni ki ken huan ki ngau ba ka ILP kala ban yarap ban weng ya kani ka jing ulaong henry na lor kani ka sien jam ki don pat ki wei ki lat ki lenti bat dei na kani ka daw ngila wanra da ka MRRSA lembat ki wei pat ki lat ki lenti kumta ngis ngau ba ka jing yakran kandang yan bat ngin persang kat bala ban weng ya kini ki jing ong shu UCM ka jela
Therefore, we would like you putting words into my mouth. I used words very, very clearly. I said there is a first project is there. We are facing some hurdles. There are constraints, and we need to address those concerns that are there. It's taking time. In the meantime, certain funds were parked for a certain project. Since it's not moving forward, obviously Government of India will ask a question that how long will you keep this money? So either we give it back or we divert it to another project within the state itself and try to utilize that money so that it doesn't go to waste. And hence we are exercising and trying to find out if there are other regions in the state who would be open to the idea of a railway. And that exercise has started. And I have expressed the same to the railway minister also. The railway minister himself has told me that he is open to that idea. And therefore we will examine it from that angle and see if there are other projects that we can move forward in. And if it's there, then we'd like to do that. Otherwise, as I said, it will be lost for the state in terms of finances, as the money has already come in for a certain part of the railway also. That ILP is a mechanism in place to address illegal immigration and concerns of the people. There are other mechanisms that could also be there. So therefore, whatever mechanism suits and addresses the concerns. So ILP is not the concern. Concern is illegal immigration and infiltration. And people feel that ILP, or some stakeholders feel that ILP can help in addressing those concerns. There are other ways also, and that's why we introduced the MRSSA and other mechanisms. So we feel that discussions are on. Stakeholders have mentioned that these are conditions. So let us see how it goes along. We will keep engaging and we'll try to resolve. Especially this government has been very aggressive in terms of development, and they are. But at the same time, they have understood the challenges at the local level, and I have made them understand that since it is for the betterment of the people and it is the society as a whole, we need to carry everybody along. And let's discuss and create a consensus, address the concerns that they have, find a way, and then move forward with the project. You already know the stand. So number one is that ILP is already in the government of India's domain. We have passed a resolution which was not done before, and so the seriousness of the government is seen in that. Number one. And number two, regarding the MRSSA, we are waiting. We got the response from Government of India, and now we are discussing in the state government on how to proceed. As it was before, that obviously, from a development perspective, we all would want to see that railway should come to a capital, and it would improve the overall connectivity. It would improve trade, economy, and so on and so forth. But then there are challenges, there are concerns, and the different stakeholders have different concerns. And therefore, we would like to carry everybody along. So obviously, no one is giving up on it. No one is saying that we're going to shelve it off. But issue is that there is funds lying for certain project. If you're not able to move in a particular project, then we can exercise and use the funds in a different project, is what we're saying. But that does not mean that we close the first one. Since if the first one is not moving, well, we'll move with a different option. But at the same time, we'll continue to discuss and and engage with different stakeholders and try to find an amicable way in which we can proceed with the project, as it is something that is good for the state and can be done in a phase-wise manner. So all options are open. So the NF people are correct that there is no question of closing it, but there's no question of forcing either. As I said, that they're all different individuals can apply, and we will scrutinize. The process is same for all, so the process will be followed. We'll discuss with everybody and then decide. So we have not really gone so much into the discussion, but I'm just curious, question to the press, why so much a question on MP today?